I want to take this time to summarize everything that we have covered with regard to duration of the marriage, the beginning. And when you look at the duration of the marriage for divorce purposes, you have to determine the end and the beginning of the marriage. It is this span of time in a marriage which creates a pool of marital debts and marital assets which are divided upon divorce. There are really two ways to begin a marriage in Ohio. You have the traditional way, which is the ceremonial date, the solemnizing of the wedding vows. The second is common law marriage. The general rule in the state of Ohio is that common law marriage is prohibited, and you can find this in Ohio Revised Code section 3105.12. And common law marriage was prohibited as of October 10th, 1991. But there are two exceptions to the general prohibition. The first is that common law marriage is protected if it exists before October 10th, 1991, and can be proven. And the way you prove common law marriage that exists prior to the effective date of the statute is by proving three elements. The first is a show of present agreement. The second is a showing of cohabitation as husband and wife. The third is the holding out to others as being married. The second exception to the general prohibition against common law marriage in the state of Ohio is that common law marriage is protected if created according to the laws of other states who recognize common law marriage. There are really two sets of cases in which common law marriage is addressed in the state of Ohio when it's appropriate. The first are the series of probate cases where one in the relationship dies and the other expects a division of assets. The second series of cases is in divorce cases where one in the relationship files for a divorce to terminate a common law marriage and request a division of marital assets. I am Attorney Eric Skidmore, and I hope the series of podcasts about the duration of the marriage, the beginning, have been helpful. Please join me next time when I propel into the future to cover the topic duration of the marriage, the end.